Let me explain tools, first of all, and how critical it is to understand why tools are tools. Okay? It's very important. And I know you're probably thinking, what the hell is he talking about? But hang out there for a second, okay? A tool, like a screwdriver, for instance, is a tool only because it has one thing going for it. You can apply it. It's applicable moving forward. So in other words, a screwdriver, you're not going to buy something if you're never going to need it. But if you need it, you have a tool, and then you're going to need it in the future, so you keep it in the drawer, and then you have a tool. You have something that's applicable. You can apply this tool. If you can't apply it, it's not a tool. It has no value if you can't apply it. It's dead right there. It dies right there. And you don't take it with you, right? So it has to be applicable. Whatever it is, if it's not applicable, it's dead on arrival. Just dead on arrival, regardless of what it is. That's the value of tools. Tools have applicability. You can apply them and moving forward as well. And you can see where they apply them, just no different than a screwdriver and screws. Okay, it's not like any blind test going on. I mean, you can actually see this stuff. Listen, different people have different tools. Barack Obama has a tool he can't share with you. He just can't. He stands up there when he's giving his speech, and he's looking out, and he's got to see, several faces that he knows are not really good people. In fact, really bad people. And they really don't give a crap about the people that they represent or anything. And he knows that. And he wants to scream it out. But he can't. And he's looking at these people and he knows they're no good. But yet he also knows that there's people voting for these people and putting these people in office. And he can't just go tell you. But he has that tool that recognizes those people. And you don't. And he can't tell you. Okay, so he's got a tool that he can't even help you out with. What Barack doesn't understand is that his daughters can't be helped out either. Here's why. Barack came to that tool over a building process. That was a tool that is consistently being built. And it's a trial and error kind of a thing, and it's all after the fact. So after he knew of all this stuff, after he's had to deal with it, after he's had the abuses, after, now he knows. But he can't even tell you. Now, he had to go through it all and be abused. Okay? So that's the only thing he can pass on to his daughters. Okay? Listen, that's what's going to happen. You're going to have to go through it and be abused, and that's how you're going to know. Okay? Welcome to Reality Boulevard. Here's the part you don't understand. You send the kids to school, send them to preschool, you send them to nursery school, first grade, second grade, sixth grade, high school. You send them to camp. You send them all over the place, right? You send them to certain projects they're doing, sporting things. They're physically fit. Some of them even take karate to protect themselves. You let them know, don't do this. Don't take things from strangers. Don't go near panel vans. Stuff like that. And you tell people this, and then this is what they're like drilled into their head. And then you see an interview on TV where the reporter's own kid is actually, sort of doing this thing, but he really doesn't know it. And it turns out that he does something he's not supposed to do. And they're asking, why did you do it? I've told you a million times. Why did you do it? Why did you do it? How many times do I have to tell you? What's the matter with you? How many times? I told you a million times. Is that all sounding familiar? Sound like people, the way they sounded when shootings were going on at schools and stuff? What's with the parents? Where the hell are the parents? What's with the parents? How don't they know? What's with the problem? How don't they know? Don't they know this stuff? I don't know. What's the matter with them? They don't know their own kids? Come on, really.
Prevention. What's that? I don't know what you are talking about.